Say something.
Got milk.
Where do I want to start this off?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Eric Moen, and I am Eric Moen, and you can call me Eric Moen.
I'm Eric Moen.
I'm Eric Moen.
I'll be Eric Moen.
I don't want to be Eric Moen.
That was my Call Me Chris intro. She's a banging YouTuber.
I guess he's Chris. I'm Eric Moen.
I'm Eric Moen.
Moen or Moen?
Moen. Like Moen the lawn.
This is the best video start I've ever had. We're at Clarksville, Drift Kings round 3. Drift Kings of Clarksville round 3. We're just out here to play. We don't care about winning, but they just busted out some fancy trophies and they just look like they earned a spot in the shop. The shop has yet to deserve a trophy down here, so we'll see how the day goes. I killed a set of tires in practice, added some grip, changed its dampening levels. The Ackerman is set. You'll see that in the previous video with the Ackerman settings at LS Fest Sunday Fun Day. The car came to life, and we've just been making better improvements and more improvements, and the car's starting to feel a hell of a lot better. So, you know, we're going to go into this qualifying. They're actually going to run qualifying. I think we have like 8 cars. We're just going to make the best of it and have fun. See where it goes. Till then. Naked through a crowded mall. Keep out of reach of small children. If swallowed, lay down on the ground and kiss your ass goodbye, or be prepared to mumble stupid shit for the rest of your life. Caution, only works for 4 hours. Possibility of extreme mouth diarrhea and or becoming a complete fucknut are extremely high. This shit is no joke. For questions or concerns, call Jenny at 8675309.
Mouth diarrhea?
The tires to the yard.
It's the boys.
We need more tires.
I bring all the boys to the yard for sure. You're fucking filming. Y'all set me up for my own punchline. So yeah, we qualified third. Are you still filming? Qualified third, got an 85.33. This is Jimmy. He's the breweries on the car and the shirts, the sponsorship, and his wife Crystal. Pan right.
Nope.
It's 85.33, top third place qualifier. There's only 8 cars, but there's a lot of sharks in this. There's you got Philip Garden driving Chris Anderton Holt's car like a savage with a 90.33 run. Great run, great driving out of him all day. Kobe Latasha in second place with the 90 flat, kicking ass all day as well. It's safe to say the top 3 is Cosmic Garage Cars, which is badass. orangutan and a jungle gym. I did a grade 8 battle and it was pretty sweet. We had this fella named Joey right here in the Z right here. I was able to get the win on him. I think it was a power level thing. He was pretty close. I think the videos will show. I'm not exactly sure what the deciding factor was for a win or a lose for us, but I was happy to take the W on that. Fast forward to top 4 battle against him and Rahimi. That guy. So he's a weirdo, but we've been driving together for a real long time. Time out. And we're back. Thank you for the interruption, Chris Anderton and Philip Gordon. We battled him in, both made some mistakes in our leads and chases on our first battle, so we went one more time, put fresh tires on both cars, dropped some tire pressure because I knew I was up against the heater of a car. Him and his fucking nuts. He ended up taking the win, so we went into the top 3 battle for 3rd after that. I forgot his name for a brain fart. Highlighter yellow Z06, I believe, or C6.
Dahl.
James Dahl went in for it. Now this is a questionable run. I was higher qualifier, so I was the lead car, and I threw it in to 2nd. And then I misshipped 3rd. He almost fucking hit me. Forfeited my lead run because of that. That sucks. Went out for my chase and I knew I had to do it hard, so I got right up on him and did everything I could. He ended up looping it on me, so I graciously gifted a one more time battle there. We both took a refresh, high-fived, and threw some love at each other. And went back for a 2nd battle. What everyone is saying was the rowdiest battle of the comp all day, and we took the win there. So we took 3rd place today. Oh, my back! Got this nice here, 3rd place. Some bald eagles on there, and we're excited to celebrate some bald eagles with this Freedom ripping V8 thingamajig, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, thanks for watching.